Do you have a property suitable for supported housing? Alpers Group works with property owners, landlords, and developers across the UK to unlock value through specialised supported housing. Your property may have potential. It could be doing more than what it is. Alpers Group unlocks value through specialised supported housing, which is sustainable, community-driven, and financially rewarding. What we're looking for is vacant, awkward, underused, distressed properties, properties with untapped potential, sitting empty, difficult to let, or simply not working hard enough. These are some examples. Distressed probate properties have been empty for years. Commercial property that is not occupied, that perhaps has space over the top, or disputed properties. Sometimes we can resolve the disputes and get an empty property working at its full value. Value can still be unlocked in underused and overlooked properties that hold hidden potential. Alpers Group helps owners to realise that value through supported housing. We look at the suitability criteria, which are the location, the planning use, and the condition of the building, and we assess the suitability. So we're seeking suitable UK properties throughout the country. We're seeking residential and commercial properties across the UK for specialised supported housing opportunities. These can be bungalows. They can be used for shared accommodation. They need to be accessible, adaptable, and they're very much in demand. Houses, these can be 3 and 4 bedroom houses. We don't necessarily need to buy the house. We can rent it from you or lease it from you because we've got different purposes that we allocate these buildings to. Commercial conversions. We can transform vacant shops and commercial buildings into between 6 and 12 residential flats for specialised supported housing. We can develop new build sites. These can be brownfield or greenfield sites, preferably urban areas, because for specialised supported housing, we need proximity to transport links and amenities such as shops. So property owners, landlords, developers, if you own a property that's vacant, underused, or difficult to let, Alpers Group is ready to work with you. We take vacant, underused, unused, difficult to sell land, property that is sitting idle, empty, hard to shift. It needs money spending on it. We can sometimes take the property, improve the value, and then assist you with the sale of the property. This is one of a number of ways of property acquisition that we use. So every property is carefully reviewed. We assess the condition, the layout, the planning, and the suitability before we proceed, but we can do this quickly. Our assessment criteria, the location, the condition, the planning use is very important, and the suitability for either specialised supported housing or social housing. If there are fees applicable, then we will explain these up front. They're not necessarily applicable. It just depends on the situation. If you introduce a site as a sourcer, then of course there's a fee payable, and we'll explain that. If you're the property owner, we will buy the property or we'll acquire the property from you using a purchase lease option or any other acceptable way of proceeding with the site. Sometimes we do joint ventures with owners, and this is a way that the owner can get more profit from the site, which we share in. So get in touch today, speak with our team about your property, discover how Alpers Group can unlock its potential. Call me, that's Alan, on 07539 141 257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141 257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email to alan@alpersgroup.com. If you like this video, please like in the box below the video, comment with your own comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.